Well, coronavirus certainly a major factor in this year's presidential election, and this comes as Maryland records another 700 cases today. The positivity rate dropped slightly, but hospitalizations, they went up by more than 30. And health experts are continuing to raise some concerns about holiday family gatherings during the pandemic. Stetson Miller is live tonight with the new warning. Stetson.
Rick, the health expert we spoke to today, says we're all going to have to be more vigilant as the weather gets colder. And we're also going to have to consider some alternative styles of celebrating this year.
Maryland reporting 771 new cases of COVID-19 over the last 24 hours, as well as 8 new deaths and 33 more people hospitalized because of the virus. While the positivity rate remained nearly flat here, the case counts are at record highs in some parts of the country. Governor Hogan says the pandemic is far from over, and Marylanders can't let their guard down.
It crosses state borders. It doesn't recognize the state lines, and it's all around us is much higher than where we are. So we're watching it cautiously. We want everybody to stay vigilant.
Health experts like Chief Medical Information Officer for LifeBridge Health, Jonathan Thierman, are concerned about the rising numbers, especially as the weather gets colder.
As the humidity drops, our mucous membranes get dried out and are less protective against viruses penetrating into our system, and the virus itself tends to be a little bit more hardy and last a little longer on surface when the weather is cooler.
And as the holiday season approaches, there are continued calls to limit family gatherings.
Rather than having 12 guests, even if it's family, maybe just having your nuclear family, or maybe it's outside with heaters.
He says consider having Thanksgiving and holiday meals outside to try to prevent the spread of the virus.
And there's been a lot of pain and suffering involved in that. But the truth is, I believe a vaccine really is coming very soon.
And Jonathan pointed out that there were spikes in cases after the 4th of July and over Labor Day, and unfortunately he's expecting another spike over the holidays, but he says that can be limited by considering those alternative styles of celebrating this year. We're live at 5, Stetson Miller for WJZ.